Have you ever noticed your teeth looking longer? Or felt that sharp sting when cold water hits your gums? What if I told you that gum recession can start long before you ever feel pain and that most people are making it worse without realizing it? Imagine this. The very foundation holding your teeth in place is quietly slipping away, and you won't notice until it's almost too late. Today, I'll show you exactly what your dentist wishes you knew. Gum recession is one of those problems that sneaks up on people. There's no dramatic warning, no sudden swelling, no intense pain to alert you. Instead, it starts with subtle signs, that slight zing when brushing gums, looking a little uneven, a small dark space near the gum line, sensitivity that comes and goes. Most people ignore it. Until one morning, they suddenly notice their teeth look longer. And by then, the damage is already done, because gum recession doesn't just grow back. Once the gum tissue is gone, it's like losing soil around a tree, can expose the roots, weaken support, and invite decay or infection. But here's the good news. If caught early, you can stop gum recession, prevent further damage, and even reverse the symptoms with consistent habits. Today, I'll give you step-by-step, dentist-proof tips you can start at home today. Let's clear up two of the biggest misconceptions. Myth 1. Gum recession only happens with aging. Wrong. It can happen at a naïve teenagers because it's often caused by brushing too hard, stress grinding, or inflammation from plaque. Myth 2. If it doesn't hurt, it's fine. Also wrong. Gum recession is usually painless in the early stages. That's why people underestimate it. Ignoring it leads to bone loss, exposed roots, painful sensitivity, loose teeth, and eventually, tooth loss following the wrong advice, like switching to a hard bristle brush or brushing side. Two-side can make it WORSE. And many people do these things every day without knowing. Let's break down what's actually happening. Your gums are like a soft protective collar that wraps around each tooth. Beneath them is bone, your tooth's anchor. When the gums get irritated, inflamed, or physically damaged, they slowly pull back. Here are 3 analogies to help visualize it. Analogy 1. The paperclip bend to paperclip back and forth. Eventually, the metal wears thin and breaks. Your gums react the same way to constant aggressive brushing. Small trauma, repeated daily, wears them down. Analogy 2. A tree and eroded soil. Imagine a tree sitting on a hill where the soil keeps washing away. Soon the roots are exposed. Gum recession exposes your tooth roots the same way. Analogy 3. A plastic ruler bent repeatedly. Every tiny bend creates small stress marks. Grinding your teeth does the same to your gums. It stresses them until they slowly recede. The root causes boil down to inflammation, plaque, tartar, gum disease, mechanical trauma, hard brushing, bad technique, pressure bruxism, grinding thin gum tissue, genetic, improper brushing tools, hard bristles. This isn't just cosmetic, it's structural. Let's walk through what happens if gum recession is left untreated. Stage 1. Mild discomfort, occasional sensitivity, small V-shaped, notch near the gum line. Gums look uneven. Most people ignore this stage. Stage 2. Visible gum line changes. Teeth look slightly longer. More frequent zing pains. Mild inflammation here. Bone may already be affected. Stage 3. Structural damage. Exposed root surfaces. Higher risk of cavities on the root. Teeth begin to feel different when chewing at this point. The damage is much harder to reverse. Stage 4. Serious consequences. Bone loss, loose teeth, expensive surgical grafts, tooth loss, long-term financial and emotional stress. Stopping recession early saves thousands of dollars and years of discomfort. Now, for the part your dentist really wishes you knew. Here are 2 proven daily habits to stop gum recession and protect your teeth. Tip 1. The 2 mm gentle sweep technique. This brushing method protects your gums while still cleaning effectively. Step by step, use a soft bristle or ultra-soft brush. Place the bristles at a 45-degree angle toward the gum line. Instead of scrubbing, make tiny circular motions about 2 mm in size. Sweep the brush downward for top teeth and upward for bottom teeth. Spend 10 seconds per tooth zone, totaling 2 minutes. Do not saw back and forth, push hard, use medium or hard bristles. This technique removes plaque while protecting the tissue. Tip 2. The 1 minute anti-inflammation rinse. This simple routine reduces gum swelling, stops inflammation, and supports healing. What you need? 1 cup warm water, about 240 milliliters. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2.5 grams instructions. Mix until dissolved. Gently swish for 60 seconds. Do once daily for 7 days, then switch to 3 to 4 days per week. Salt water reduces swelling and kills bacteria. Naturally, no harsh chemicals required. Using a boiled and bite night guard at home can help protect gums if you grind your teeth. Wear it for 6 to 8 hours at night, and you'll reduce pressure on your gum line. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments.